Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you all have a safe, healthy, and most importantly, blessed day. My name is Serge, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with my YouTube channel, it's all about automotive, behind the scenes with other creatives, and lifestyle. Today, we're talking about the automotive, specifically my Subaru 2020 WRX, and we have some engine bay bits to install specifically from JDC Titanium. They're located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They make all the custom titanium parts. Specifically, we're installing an oil stick holder on the top of burnt titanium finish, and we also have the strut tower bar bolts in the burnt titanium finish as well. And so I know it's been quite some time since we've updated you guys on what my car has been through within the past year, because I obviously haven't been documenting on the YouTube, but it's definitely been documented on my Instagram. So go check it out down below in the description. You could find my Instagram handle and also JDC Titanium's page, as well as we've done videos in the past with them, as you can see here and here. And now we're just kind of bringing it on the YouTube platform. So let's go install these two pieces. All right, you guys, something I just realized, is that there's no way to actually remove this dipstick or the handle from the stick unless I had a Dremel tool. So I guess in a future video, unfortunately not in this one, we'll just have to cut this open this way and then just practically break the handle, so that way we could properly install the JDC one. But to see how it would look overall, let's first check the oil. Oil is good. It'll essentially fit like that. Looks great already, temporarily in the engine bay. I have to clean this off. But yeah, unfortunately not in this video that we'll be able to install this dipstick. Figured we move on to the next part. Unfortunately, due to the whole oil handle situation, we have a ratchet right here with an extension and a 12 mil to replace this strut bar bolt, this nut, with the JDC Titanium in the burnt finish. So let's go ahead and handle that. All right, we have the old, it looks like it's zinc plated, versus the new burnt titanium finish. Let's install that in. I don't know if you guys can see because it's so freaking hot out here, but we installed all three bolts. One, two, the third one is in the back over here, which was pretty hard to get to, but it's okay. It's so hot out here, the camera is lightly overheating right now. So I'm just gonna install the rest and then just kind of give you guys just an overview of what we did. All right, you see the car, we've been standing in the shade because your boy's already dark. Damn! And we don't even get a little darker. But I figured, let me just show you guys a little overview of the car real quick, because it's been such a long time since you guys have seen it. But right now, as you guys can see, we installed, sorry you guys can't see, we installed the JDC Titanium in the burnt finish, the strut bars on the Cusco front brace down here on as well. We still need to install the dip handle for it. Unfortunately, I have to get like a saw to cut that out and then reinstall it, which I do not have in stock right now in the Blaine residence. But this is the car. If you guys haven't been up to date with the vehicle, I mean, you already know we had the Graham lights in the Eternal Blue Pearl wheels. That didn't change. We had a little install video on those. That didn't change. But you guys didn't see these, the handles, the carbon fiber handles. Those did change. They are covers, carbon fiber covers. So I think what I want to do is eventually get it fully wrapped in carbon, so that way it doesn't show the white on the inside. It's all about the details, and then put these on top of that with lining up the carbon fiber weaves. A little tedious, but we'll get it done eventually. And this is the main big thing, the thing that changed everything. This was last summer's project. We essentially got Sabon carbon fiber trunk with the Varus wing, JDC titanium bolts here with the carbon washers. It's all about the details. We left the plate area in carbon just due to a lot of opinions that I've had in the past. I was just gonna keep the strip here carbon and then have the rest white, but they're like, no, you got to expose that it's, you know, a carbon fiber trunk. So I was like, all right, why not? We got the carbon fiber diffuser here. That was a B to install, but we got it installed. And then alongside with the install of the Varus wing, we got the WRX logo, lit logos collab with JDC titanium cover, burnt titanium cover. We got it installed on the trunk. Not a lot of people do this. Got inspo from my friend Primo and Peter. They're the only two that are rocking this right now, as far as I know. But that's where the inspo came from. They were the first to do it, and now I just kind of joined in with them because, you know, they family. But the biggest and coolest thing about this, as you can see, you guys been seeing a blue line across here. This ain't no tape. It's actually embedded LEDs inside of the Varus wing, and that was big thanks to Maldonado's Car Care, which did the paint match of the Sabon carbon trunk, to Maldonado's Car Care, which did the paint match of the Sabon carbon trunk alongside with the install of the Lit Logos logo, and collab with Restored Vision, a great lighting engineer down near Orlando, Florida. I literally made 2 trips just to get this done. It was well worth it for the family in Florida. So he did the custom LED, got the strongest LED output and quality, and then they essentially work together to embed it into the Varus carbon wing. Again, not a lot of people do this, but the 2 that have done this is my friend Primo and Peter, the only 2 to do that, alongside with, now there's one other one as well, but just wanted to keep it somewhat relevant but unique at the same time, because the friends, they got the wide body kit, I'm rocking the stock body kit, and also the hood. We changed the hood too. I believe this is not Sabon, Charge Speed carbon fiber hood. Right, not Charge Speed, Sabon carbon fiber hood, paint matched. It used to be Peter's, but now it's mine. We did a little swap for something else that he needed. He gave me that, but I had to repaint match it to my color car, as he had it on his custom color matched car. So we color matched it to the crystal pearl white, and also added arrow catches, carbon arrow catches to it. You know, you guys see the theme that's going on, carbon with the crystal pearl white colorway. This is being stubborn lately. And yeah, that's been the car update as of late. Nothing really else that has been newly done to the car. But if you guys want more of a clean, precise overview of what I've done to the car, I will overall probably do another update here on this YouTube channel on what I have done, what's currently on it, and what we want to add in the future. Because again, I said this car is about like 90 to 95% done. There's also 2 other things I told you I didn't even add, but it's on the car and you could probably see it right now. Sheesh, it's hot. My camera keeps dying because it's so hot outside and it can't handle the temperatures. Again, we're rocking the A6500 Sony. It's a decade-old plus camera, and we need to upgrade it. And hopefully you guys could subscribe down below. It means a lot, helps a lot, does all the wonders in the world. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you made it to the end. And yeah, this is Crystal in her 90 to 95% form. An update video will come in regards to the overview of the vehicle and what we plan to do next. And I wish you guys a safe, healthy, and most importantly, blessed day. Look out for the next video coming up in the following week. And I appreciate you guys, and it means a lot that you guys are watching this channel. Again, subscribe down below. It means a lot, helps a lot, does all the wonders in the world. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.